Number one, it is super light, so portable if you want to go over somewhere and show off. All right, guys, welcome back. You know, every once in a while you're hanging out at the man cave, you're in the garage, I have a couple friends over and you want it to be like kind of a cool atmosphere. So this is the device for that. This is basically a disco ball in my hand here, right? This is a little mini laser system. So what we're gonna do in this video is we're gonna hook it up. We're gonna wait till it gets dark by the pool, turn on the Mr. Fog machine and see what kind of show we can make with this. It has pre-programmed shows, as it also responds to music, which is gonna be our big test. That's what we wanna see. We want it to make a party as the music plays. I think the only other thing that I really want you to know about it, maybe two other things. Number one, it is super light, so portable if you want to go over somewhere and show off. Number two, has a remote. That's not so special, but check this out. USB powered. You don't even need to be able to plug it in anywhere. You can plug it into any one of those portable power supplies you have. So, okay, let's wait till it gets dark, plug it in, crank up the smoke, and let's see what happens out here. How cool is this? You can't possibly go wrong with this. If you want this machine, there is a link down below. If you use that link, it helps out the channel. So we're gonna say thank you in advance. It doesn't cost you anything extra, so use that link. Remember to like, subscribe, and put in the comments, what are you doing with this crazy cool machine? Because I can think of about 1,000 things to do with it. I wanna know what you wanna do with it. In any case, I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.